Hello, Choro fans. We got another cool one today. It's from the Qshop special. I don't know what that really means though. Let's see. It says it's the Celica LB GT Rally. I didn't know such a car existed. I always knew about the LB, but they had a GT Rally version, and this toy came out in 2005. That's what the ST05 means there. And well, actually, there's a little bit of information, but I can't read Japanese, so yeah. A little plastic wrap, keep it from getting scratched, hopefully. And there we go. This one's got some cool stripes on it, this toy. Some sort of printing, GT Rally there. It's got some funky 4-spokes on it. Squarish taillights. Alright. Notice this one has rectangular headlights, so but this one here has round headlights inside a rectangle. So obviously I'm not pulling up the proper images all the time. This is a lime green. It's really neat. I wouldn't say it's metallic though. I don't see any speckling in it. Just lime green. And then it's got tampo printing of this white and a gold stripe, which is pretty cool. It's running steelies, which have 4 things in the middle, so it's kind of close. Really thin panel gaps, nice door handle, some sort of badge there, outline, and then a little, molded detail here in these windows. So that's cool. So yeah, this one has round headlights inside of a square in this case. Nice texture in the grille. Sadly, not enough black paint there, but that's an easy fix. These should be orange. That's an easy fix. And possibly this should all be black. Yeah. Alright, no license plate. But it has printed on wiper blades and some nice vent detail up here. A little gap for the hood. This side here looks the same. Yeah, we got some black painted bumpers, I'm now noticing. Taillights have a little molded detail and then they're painted red. No badging, sadly. Some molded detail for the window trim and the cut line for the trunk. Okay, I gotta look up what this is. I have a lot of these Qshop specials, but I don't know if that means literally is there a physical store for ChoroQs, or is this like an online purchase or something? Of course, if anyone knows, please leave a comment. So if you buy this used, you can look here and know it's from 2005. Or, well, maybe not. It's weird, because it says Qshop Pack 2004. So I guess maybe there's a multi-pack of cool cars. I gotta look that up later. Screw here, tab there, standard stuff, and then the clear plastic body is just well painted. It's a pullback toy, and it still goes. So I'm gonna leave this one alone. I like the wheels. They're dark like the real one, so yeah. No modification necessary. Maybe later I'll add some paint details there. Alright, let's take a look at a couple other Celicas here in deformed shape. A little discount here. So, one of my earlier ChoroQ purchases was just a regular street version where I did add some paint here. The orange and the black there and the grill and all that stuff. And this one has some Hot Wheel Real Riders on it. So it looks like it's the same casting. Nostalgic Sports Car Collection 2. And this one says 08 on the bottom of it. It also has wiper blades, but it's a totally different print. So that's interesting. They switched the printing around. One of my favorite Celicas, though, is this first generation one. And this one has some Hot Wheel Real Riders. This is from the Kotowari collection, I guess, because it has these badges on the windshield, maybe tax stamps or something. I may have added silver paint to those hood vents, I can't remember. And then yeah, so maybe some paint details down there. I like how it has the badge in the grill, and then it also has GT on the striping here. Yeah, this one's cool. This is my favorite one, maybe. Alright. Not so favored are the more modern Celicas. They're really soap bar looking ST-185, I think this is. This has 3D printed wheels. Doesn't even tell you what it is on the bottom. It's kind of lame. Or the back. And then, I don't know if I like this more or less than the last one. I forget what body code this thing is called, but anyways, it came in this Toys Team Project set, and these are some other wheels I can't remember. Or maybe these are wheels that came with it, but I just took them off the motor and used mounting putty. I'm going to pull out two more because that's what I have. So this is a really old one, and it's got these really lame pop-up lights because there's no silver paint on the lights, it's just white plastic. Put this little tab here, pops them up. It's a toy after all, but it's got nice printing there. This is from a set called the Mechadoc set, and Mechadoc was some sort of Japanese cartoon about racing and stuff like that. I 3D printed my own wheels though. So this toy is from when? 2005. Okay. And the last one is a free 3D print file you can get from one of my channels called Dendeva. So look in my subscriptions. And he uses a program called Blender, and he made this car in Blender, and he provides the free files. So if you have a 3D printer and you're willing to paint stuff, this is some sort of Celica race car I never knew about. It's pretty cool. I like it. So that is my super deformed Celica collection as to date. And yeah, for me, I still like this guy the most. It's the coolest Celica I think ever. But this isn't bad. Yeah. So let's let this guy spin on its own. I don't know what cartoon character we should use today. I don't have any green ones. Well, in the interest of time, I'm just going to put up this weird cucaracha looking guy. I think that's from a video game. I don't know. I buy a lot of figurines just because they're small. Alright, well, it's an okay Choro-Q. Could use a little more paint apps, but I'm sure it was pretty cheap to begin with. Alright, I'll see you the next time I get a deformed Celica. Thanks, bye.